Dirt Fisherman here, y'all. It's my boy. We're going to open up some cars for y'all and show y'all. He wanted to say hey. Say hey. Come on, wait
I
for the
get a little higher.
All right, y'all. We know the drill. Let's turn this thing around and look at some cars.
But we only.
Ouch.
But why not open up them two?
All right, y'all. The first one up is out there, the Hello Kitty one. Cool combi. Next cool combi is going to be the Hot Wheels Surf Shop. Let that one there turn around a little bit. We throw this one on there.
You know, I love the two engines on that big car.
Yeah, that's just one engine there, baby. All right, so here goes the other one.
I love it.
While that one's on the turner, y'all, we got another Volkswagen cool combi. Look like the old hippie ride here. Here you go, baby. Tear that into it. Knock it off my hand. Check that one out, y'all. And we got another cool combi, y'all. It's this green was Hot Wheels, another color variation. Here you go, baby. Try. Open it up, baby.
Hey, look, it's a quad with a hole in it. And somebody wrecked it.
Oh, they wanted to roll off, y'all. All right, y'all, we got another cool combi. Another color variation. Here you go, baby. Here.
It's the same one as that one.
Oh, look at that there. Came out easy, didn't it? There's the blue one right here, y'all. Check that one out. All right, y'all. Up next, we got the Hot Wheels kit concept when it's got cart on it. Open it up.
I wrecked this one.
Open it up. Can you get your finger in there, or you probably need me to help you? You gotta be kind of fast, baby. There you go. No, tear the other side off. Tear the other side off. There you go. Alright, let's check that one out, y'all. Up next is going to be new for this year, the Camaro, the arts car.
Yeah, there's a two and a two on the
Can
front.
you get it, baby? Alright, let's hold that joker. Come on, don't do it up there, baby. Don't throw it there. Don't throw it up there. Throw it on the ground. Check that one out there, y'all. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna open up some red editions from Target. First one up is the custom 18 Mustang, the Joe Logano.
I love my boat ride.
Get it open. Get that, baby. Get that there now.
Did I drop it in the hand?
You good? You good? You good? I'll not drop it. You do that there. All right, y'all. Up next is gonna be the 18 Camaro SS.
Chevrolet Mustang.
Yeah, it's a Chevrolet Camaro.
I two other hands.
Right, come on, come on. All right. Here we go. Look out there, y'all.
Hey, look.
Up next is going to be the Corvette
It's
C7R
driving away.
Red Edition. Here you go, baby.
Driving away.
That's right. Here.
It's parked. Right
Here,
there.
here. Open that bad boy up, son. Can you get it? Hey, you know we got to put it on a turner. Check the old C7 out in the red edition. Up next, y'all, is going to be the 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in the red. Open that bad boy up. Grab it, lady. There you go. Oh, you about made it fall on the ground, didn't you? About built a man down. Check that one out, y'all.
I love that vehicle car.
All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback in the red.
Hey, that's off of the ground. That wheel off of the ground.
Here you go. Because it's in a hole back there.
But why?
Come on, open her up, baby doll. This is one of my favorite castings right here, y'all. There's a nice one right there. It's real nice. That's another video, baby. All right, y'all. We're going to turn the cameras around and say our goodbyes.
Open some more.
We want another video, baby. All right. Come on, say goodbye to him. All right, y'all. He don't want to say goodbye. He wants to open up more cars. There you go. He wants to say goodbye now, y'all. All right, y'all. If you like what y'all see, subscribe to that channel, please. Dirt Fisherman out.